Hey there, my name is Julian, and in this super quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get your cursor hyper aware of MemberStack. So what I mean by that is you're going to be able to ask it anything, and it is going to know exactly how MemberStack works, how to implement the features that you want when you ask in plain English, which means no more hallucinations, no more nonsense, say goodbye to your auth problems. So what we have open here is we just have a blank folder open in Cursor, and along with that, we have the MemberStack AI documentation, GitHub. There is a link to that in the description. So all you need to do is go ahead and copy this right here, this one that has Cursor in it, and go ahead, open Cursor and pop open a new terminal. So go ahead and paste in that command, and now we're gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. So as we can see, it has been added. We have our Cursor rules file over here. We have our MemberStack documentation and all of that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Cursor chat, and I'm gonna go ahead and ask it, how do I log in a member? And what it should do is return us the correct ways to log in a member with MemberStack. Okay, max mode, I will turn you off for now. I guess my subscription just expired. I've been using Claude Code. There's a link in the description to the video of how to do this with Claude Code as well. All right, so how do I log in a member? Now what it should do is take a look at the documentation and then let me know how to log in a member with MemberStack. Now, you're not going to be actually using this just to ask it simple questions. Instead, what you're going to be doing is saying, hey, go ahead and set up my login form. Go ahead and set up my sign-in form and all of that. So it should come back to you with something in plain English. Let's fast forward this and let's see what it comes back with. All right, so as we can see over here, we got how to initialize it. We got email and password login. We got social login. We got passwordless login. We got the pre-built modals. And we also have it saying how to listen for auth changes. So there you have it right there. As we can see now, Cursor is fully aware of MemberStack, and you're not gonna have to wrestle with it, telling it to do it the right way. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.